In this video, let's talk about do Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers help fit the bigger tires. Let's talk about it.
Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are the easiest and quickest way to stop bigger tires from rubbing. This is because tire rubs occur when a tire hits a component underneath your vehicle, or when there is not enough clearance between the tires and the wheel arch. And the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will push the whole wheels out a few distance. This creates enough inner wheel clearance for fitting bigger tires. Many people would like to apply the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers to achieve a fresh style and boost performance. When pushing the wheel out, you get more inside rim space. As this space increases, you lower the risk of the tire rubbing the suspension or brakes. At this point, the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers effectively keep the caliper from rubbing the wheel spokes. This ensures safe driving. As long as you install high-quality brand spacers, there will be no problem. Typically, the best Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloys, but even if the material is the same, different manufacturers' process provide different mechanical performance. Forged Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are often more durable. They are significantly stronger and tougher than casting aftermarket spacers. In the forging process, tons of continuous drag make the internal structure more compact, adding strength to combat everyday wear and tear. Based on traditional tire spacers, bonus Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers come with more useful designs, such as FT cooling grooves, non-surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These FT cooling Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipation grooves behind the spacer boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay, and improving road safety. Bonus always strive to offer the best quality Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers with more practical functions. Also, we can run different sizes of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers with no problems. Generally, it is not recommended to use too many Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers to stick your tires out past the fenders. At the Bonus factory, wheel spacers from 25mm to 70mm are available. All Bonus custom Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nut or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your Mitsubishi Pajero.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.